If your cancer was diagnosed earlier, would surgery have been an option for you? Would you like to know what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. In a failure to diagnose cancer case, one of the most important things that we look at to evaluate whether or not you may have a valid case is, would the outcome or your treatment have been different if your condition was timely diagnosed? So here's what usually happens. Somebody will come to me after they've already been diagnosed, and by that time it's usually pretty severe. Most of the time it's stage 3 or stage 4 cancer. And the question they have is, I believe that somebody delayed my diagnosis. I think I had symptoms and should have been followed up much earlier. And that if I was diagnosed earlier, I would have been maybe in stage 1 or maybe stage 2. Well, now we have to go to your treating doctors and ask them these questions. If this condition had been diagnosed earlier, what treatment options would have been available? Would surgery have been an option? And if surgery was an option, would you still have needed chemotherapy or radiation therapy? Many times when a tumor is caught early, it tends to be localized to one small area. And now a surgeon can go in and surgically remove that particular tumor and then continue to watch you over time. In that instance, you may not even need radiation or chemotherapy, depending upon the type of cancer, depending upon where the cancer is located, and of course the size of that cancer. So the question always is, if the condition had been diagnosed earlier, would surgery have been an option? And would you have needed additional treatment that's typically associated with treatment of cancer, including chemotherapy and radiation therapy? You know, you may be asking yourself, why am I sharing this information with you? I'm sharing it with you because in all likelihood you have questions or concerns about your own possible failure to diagnose case. And if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.